Let's talk about taxonomies. Taxonomies are ways of grouping our website contents for easy navigation. There are two types of taxonomies, the categories and the tags. If you come over to post, you will see both of them here. You will see the categories and the tags. Both of them are used to group similar contents in a website. But the difference between two of them is that while categories are used to group similar contents under a broad topic, tags are used to group similar contents under a specific topic. Let's take a look at this website for example. This is AliExpress. Let me close all these windows. If you come to this place, you see these categories here. If you come here, you will see women's fashion, men's fashion. There are so many of them. Then if you come to this place, you will see this smartwatch, wristwatches for men, power bank, shoes for women, all these ones. You can see that from here, these women fashions includes both the watch, the shoes, everything, the hair, the wig, everything. But these particular ones here are dedicated specifically for some particular kind of item. For instance, if you come here, you see the smartwatch, you see the wristwatch, and then power bank. There are so many of them. So these ones are categories. They were used to group similar contents under a broad topic, while these ones are tags. They were used to group similar contents under a specific topic. Okay, so let's quickly come back to dashboard. In order to create our categories and tags, we need to come over to post. Let's start with the categories. Let me open it in a new tab. Let me close this one. Then if you come here, you can call it anything of your choice. Let me call this one fashion. Sorry. And then the slug is the URL. I would want to leave it as default. So if you come here, you see this parent category. And when I click on the drop down, you will see that categories have parents and child relationship. Okay, this means that you can have categories and subcategories. If you come here, you will see this uncategorized. And if you come to this place as well, you see this uncategorized as well. This is a category created by default by WordPress. So if you don't create any category, you're telling WordPress to store all your WordPress posts or items under the uncategorized category. Okay? So I don't want to put this one under any parent category. So I'll click on add new category. This description doesn't really matter. Okay, and as you can see, it has been added to our category. Okay, so if I come here and call this one sports, and then come and click on add new category. Okay, let me add a subcategory now. Let me call this one women's shoes. Sorry, let me just go with women's wears. Then come under this parent category. I would want it to be under the category of fashion. So I'll click on add new category. And as you can see, this one that we just added, you will see this dash mark here telling you that this one is a subcategory of this particular one. Okay, so let me add another one. Men's shoes is already selected as fashion, so I'll click on add new category. Okay, let me add football. Parent category of sports, add new category. And then basketball, add new category. As you can see, we now have these categories and subcategories. Okay, so you can edit any of them entirely. If you want to edit this one, you can easily click on quick edit to edit the name and slug, or you can click on edit to edit the category entirely. Now you can change the name, the slug, the parent category, and the rest. For instance, if I want to change this one, I'll call it like orders and click on update. Now let me click on go to categories, and then just the same way, if I want to delete it, I'll click on delete. If I want to view it, I can click on view. Okay, that's it with these categories. So let's come over to tags. Okay, if I come under tags, I can call this one Under the fashion, let me go with watches. Click on add new tag. I would want you to notice that tags doesn't have the parent and child relationship because they are used to group similar contents under a specific topic. So there is no need trying to regroup all of them. Okay, let me call this one sneakers. Okay, then Manchester United. Okay, then Liverpool, then Chelsea. You can add as so many categories and tags as you want. Okay, but before you create any category or tags, just make sure that you have your contents already. Any category or tag that you're creating should have at least 10 contents under it. This is because if you come here and click on view, let me open it in a new tab. You will see that we don't have any item here and it doesn't make sense at all. Okay, it won't look good if people should navigate to your website to see that you just have one or two posts in a full page. It doesn't make sense. So before you create any category or tag, just make sure that you have up to 10 contents ready to be published under that particular category or tag. Okay, that is how to create categories and tags in WordPress.